So we conduct about 25 sound tests per year here in the factory or also on site. And we do these tests together with the customer or the independent third party who verifies our data. And this gives us very reliable data which we can then use. BEC already started 35 years ago with tests on units with and without sound attenuation. This gives us reliable data which can then be used to optimize new sound critical designs and also to generate reliable data for the customer. Sound tests are typically conducted during the night when there's a minimal impact of the environmental noise. We strive to only measure the sound of the cooling tower itself and not the ambient noise. In total, during the year, we test about 25 units per year here in the factory or on site together with the customer or an independent third party. As sales project engineer, one of my jobs is to attend these sound tests here in the factory or on site together with the customer. These moments are always very interesting as we learn very useful data and then I can share given information with my fellow engineers. This way we can keep the finger on the sound pulse and never miss a beat.